Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can easily and quickly blur background of our video using InShot application. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my InShot application on my mobile phone. And first of all, I'm going to open a project I have just created on my InShot. This is my project and I'm going to blur the background of this video. We can go to the folder option and then just select the AI effect. In this AI effect, we can scroll all the way to the right around here and go to the blur category. And here we just need to click on this ghost effect. Click on it and you can customize how blur you want it to be. I'm going to make it super blur like this, and then we can click on the check mark and we can make this effect align with our video like this, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can easily and quickly blur background of our video using InShot application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.